Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to create a client list in ClickUp. Alright, let's begin. First, open ClickUp and click the plus icon beside your folder. Then select Templates from the options. In the search bar, type Client and you will see a variety of templates designed for managing client information. Choose a template that fits your needs. For example, select the Support template. Hover over it and click on Quick Use to apply it. ClickUp will begin adding this template to your folder. Just wait for the loading process to finish. Once it's added, you will see the full layout of the client list. You can explore how the list is structured and begin editing it to suit your workflow. Add or remove fields, update statuses, and organize the list based on your preferences. This feature helps you manage client data efficiently and customize the layout to fit your process. So that's basically how you can create a client list in ClickUp. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.